Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to show you a simple way to clear the cache on the VK app. If your app is running slowly or you want to free up some space on your phone, this method will help improve performance. First, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, in the top right, tap on the three dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once you are inside the Settings menu, look for App Settings and click on it. Scroll down until you find the Clear Cache option. Finally, tap on Clear Cache and a confirmation message will appear. Confirm by tapping Clear Cache again. Your app cache will be deleted, freeing up space and potentially improving the app's speed. Remember to repeat this process whenever the app starts to slow down. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with friends.